I reviewed hundreds of sales tools used by the most successful entrepreneurs in the world. And if you're anything like me, the amount of sales tools today is more overwhelming than helpful. And testing them all out would cost you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. But avoiding these tools can put you at a huge disadvantage. That's why in today's video I'll share 11 free and paid tools I tested myself and continuously use to this day. Tools that help me run a one-person business. So let's begin. I'll start off with free and simple tools and work my way up the ladder, and towards the end we'll cover insanely powerful AI agents that cost $500,000 and can replace real human employees. I'll share the name, the pricing, the features, and how to use the tool to make sure this video is as valuable as possible. And if you do find it valuable, a subscribe would be nice. So let's start off with tier 1 free tools, starting off with my email Permutator. Now what email Permutator is, it's a simple app that allows you to find anyone's email. So for example, as you can see here, you add your contact's name, their domain, and right away you get like 30 or so emails that you can go ahead, validate, and find which of these emails exists or not. And I made this myself. Currently I think it's the most well-built email Permutator. It's totally free. If you want a link to it, just let me know in the comments below and I'll share it. So you can use it simply like this. For example, Frank Saunders, right? Salesforge AI. And if you just drag this, you get all the emails that Frank Saunders could be using. So you then go data, split text to columns, space, you collect all of this, right? Whoops. You go here, paste, transposed. Here's how many emails you got that Frank could be using. You just go ahead, validate them, and that's it. You find the email of the person you need. So if you need it, just let me know. Again, it's free. You use it however you want, right? Second thing, again, free, is an instant data scraper. Now you may have heard some of these tools. I shared them in the past. If you have heard them, just wait till the tier 2. But what Instant Data Scraper does is it helps you scrape any information from any website. I use it to scrape product hunt companies and products, and it's super easy to use. So what you want to do is simply go to Instant Data Scraper, you add a Chrome extension, and for example, when you want to scrape, let's say, product hunt itself, let me show you exactly how you can scrape the product hunt. So you go to product hunt, right? You go to launches, launch archive, have all these lovable bold builder, right? You click here, boom. It already has all the links, everything. If it didn't get this table, you just try another table till you find the information that you want to scrape. And this way you can scrape Instagram leads, anyone on LinkedIn emails, whatever it is, right? Your leads. And this way you just get a bunch of data, you clean it, and then you can reach out to people. What I do is I grab all the names, I get the website URLs, I plug it into Apollo, and this way I can filter out leads super specifically, right? Again, it's free, so use it however much you want. Another thing is MiniMouse Macro, something I use almost daily, I'd say, is also an automation platform. It records your mouse and keyboard movements, and then you can replay it as much as you'd like, meaning you can automate basically any task. Let me actually show you, because I have this app, right? I do use it. So for example, here I have set up me scraping the product hunt leads, right? Let me go down. As you can see here, I can just run the automation. Well, I need to prepare it, but for example, I do this, right? I click here, this, ref equals product hunt, right? But now what I can do, I loaded up the script, right, that I recorded previously. I could click Alt F3 and now it does everything for me. You see, I'm doing nothing. It goes here, it finds their URL, it's loading, right? Copies their URL, it pasted, Lofty product hunt, I clean it, easy. I put it in Apollo, I get all the data I need. Of course, this is just an example now, so I won't run it for 20 days, but you do that, automate, you get leads, right? Another thing is vector.co. What this website does is it identifies your website visitors for completely free. It can do that, right? If you want, you can upgrade. But what it does, again, whenever someone visits your website, it tries to retrieve information about that lead. For example, as you can see here, someone from Stripe, right? They went to your pricing page or whatever. And this way, you get information about the leads that are coming to your website. You can outreach and this way close deals, right? It makes no sense to not use it. You get information about your leads that are visiting your website. So it's very good. You can use it in Slack, you get information right away. Of course, it only works for USA because of the laws. You cannot identify other people. It's only people that opted in, but it's again another very interesting tool and simple to use. You just add the code to your website and easy as that. And for the price, which is free, it's pretty good, right? Now we also have tier 2, right? Let's go to tier 2. The first tool of tier 2 is clay.com. What clay.com does is it helps you generate and enrich leads with insane automations, insane workflows, all of that good stuff, right? So it starts off at $149 a month, and basically what it does for the pricing, you get a lot of data about your leads. You can kind of personalize everything based on that information, right? So it's lead generation on steroids. For that pricing, for $149, you get like 2,000 credits a month, right? But it's definitely well worth it because you can run all kinds of automations to enrich leads. It's insane what you can do with the leads on Clay. Now, if you want to use it, look at some tutorials on YouTube, people building automations, workflows, all of that good stuff. But if you do know how to use it, if you learn how to use Clay, it's well worth it, right? Sixth tool is Salesforge. This is a tool that I use to send out cold emails, and it starts at $48 a month. What it does is basically all of your email outreach, right? You have unlimited email warm-up, you have AI written personalized cold emails. Basically, it will take information about your product, it will take information about your lead and write personalized cold emails all for you, meaning you don't have to do anything. And this boosts the deliverability rate because all of your emails are unique, and also the reply rate because the emails are super relevant to your prospect. And of course, it's an email sending platform, so you go ahead and send out cold emails with follow-ups, spin tags, all of that good stuff. I have a lot of tutorials about it. I think I even linked them here, right? Yeah, so if you wanted access to the sheet, just let me know. So that's what you do. You just upload all of your leads, add some information about your company, and easy as that. If you want to see what kind of emails it can send, you can use this, right? Add your email, add your LinkedIn, and it will pitch you this app itself. So you'll see how good it actually is. Next, what we have is ManyChat. Now this is gonna be a bit different, probably not for everyone, but what ManyChat does is it helps you to automatically reply to interested prospects on social media. So for example, you've probably seen it on Instagram, right? On LinkedIn, people say, comment this and I'll send you my guide, right? So it's basically like for lead magnets, right? This is all automated. ManyChat does it for you. So again, for all the lead magnets you see people doing, saying comment this word, they use ManyChat, and you can use it yourself to save a lot of time and do things like that and sell to people automatically. They'll think you're talking to them, which you're not. All right, so that's ManyChat, $15 per month starting. You can get more stuff, but yeah. Eighth product is Hatre. What Hatre is an LinkedIn outreach tool, LinkedIn cold outreach. It starts at $79 per month, so that's for one account. You can get more accounts to send out the cold outreach, right? And basically by using it, you can automate cold outreach on LinkedIn. You set up campaigns like this. For example, if your lead does not accept the connection request, you can wait, endorse their skills, follow them, like their posts or whatever. You set up campaigns like that. You can scrape leads from LinkedIn using Hatre, right? All of that good stuff. And again, if you want more sending accounts, you can get them for like $60 per month, and you can have other plans. But yeah, Hatre is just all LinkedIn cold outreach, insane tool, right? So you can use it as well. Again, I think I have a tutorial on Hatre. So if you want, just access this sheet and go here and you'll get this. Now we are coming to the juiciest part, tier 3, where we're gonna have some good stuff, right? So we're going to be starting out with Hatre, right? So it's an automation tool like Make.com, like Zapier, right? If you don't know, if you know them, but it's like advanced version of that. It starts at $24 a month, and you can automate almost anything, whatever you need, right? So for IT, for sales, all the operations, right? You create these complex things, you use AI agents, and basically you automate whatever you do yourself, right? To save yourself a lot of time. You have a bunch of integrations you can use, and this way you can get, whenever someone signs up to your website, put them in a sequence, yada yada. Anything you want to do, you probably could do it with N88. N8. Jesus, is a hard name to say. Again, if you're scaling, tier 3 is probably for people that are scaling. You want to use that. Another automation platform is Bardine. What this one does is it's a bit different, because what it usually you can use it for is probably scraping information, all kinds of automations, but a little bit different, maybe on social media, right? Scraping data, doing all that stuff, right? You have RevOps, SalesOps, marketing, whatever it is, right? You can go, again, scrape leads. Like I said, bunch of templates built for you, so you don't even need to build their workflow automations. There are a lot of templates. For example, you want to scrape this specific website, you just change the website, everything is done for you, upload it to Google Sheets, done, you go, and you win, right? So starting at $60 per month for this many automations. You can test it out for free, but there it is. And now we're getting to the juiciest parts. Before we do, if you found this video useful, I would kindly ask you to subscribe. Subscribing lets YouTube know what kind of content you like, so it will push you more valuable content like this. If you do like the video, please subscribe. I'll give you a second. Done. Thank you. Let's go. So 11th and last tool is an AI sales agent, an AI SDR called Agent Frank. What Agent Frank does is automates all of your email outreach. So it costs $500 a month, but that's nothing compared to other AI sales agents out there that cost thousands of dollars a month. And again, what it does is everything on cold email outreach. So email infrastructure setup, it's all done for you. Lead scraping, all done for you. Email warm-up, all done for you. Email writing, all done for you. Replying, all done for you. Objection handling, all done for you. Meeting booking, all done for you. All you need to do, look at your calendar, look at your booking link, your calendar, right? You see all this meeting scheduled, you go there, you sell, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything else. That's what Agent Frank does, basically all of cold email automation. Simple as that, right? I have a video made about him, about Agent Frank, so if you want to, you can take a peep right here. But again, it's insane. It basically replaces you or whatever. I mean, it doesn't have to replace you. You can kind of be supercharged with it, right? It's not built to replace you, but it does everything you would want to do. But if you don't want to let it run automatically, you can just turn on a co-pilot. You can overlook it, see what kind of email it's writing, yada yada. So there's that. Now, if you want to see me using some of these tools to get a 5% reply rate and make over $1,000 from one silly campaign, I suggest you take a look at the video here. And it was me, Sam, and have a good one. Peace.